perspective challenge.
This is where you are going to take whatever lens you want, whatever object you want, and something that is going to completely modify how that object looks normally. You could take things like bubbles and blow bubbles and then photograph through it. And what that's going to do is take the world and throw it upside down, and if you've got a bunch of bubbles, you might see a bunch of the worlds. Or maybe it's taking Tupperware or a glass bowl and photographing through it. Whatever you do, you are making the object look the same, but in a different way. And that's why I use the Lensball. It's a tool that I don't feel can be used for a lot of professional things, but it can definitely be used for a lot of fun things, like this challenge. So hop to it. Hashtag Forced Perspective Challenge. And by the way, if you can incorporate Star Wars into that, high five.